Hello everyone, here we've got Honor Magic 4 Lite, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select biometric and password, and now set fingerprint ID. You've got it at the top of the list. Now provide your lock screen password. It would be used as the backup to your fingerprint. And now decide to what you wish to use this fingerprint to. In my case, that will be to unlock the device. And now you need to place your fingerprint on the sensor. So just turn your device around. Here you've got the sensor and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Lift your finger up, then place it on the sensor and do it till you'll be informed that it's properly added. And that's it, and just tap on OK. And as you can see, from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.